Michelle here from Straw-Bearie.com. I'm a teacher, I'm a crafter, I'm a DIYer, and today I'm just going to talk to you about things you can do to keep busy and to have fun and to keep yourself from getting depressed during the coronavirus outbreak. So right now I actually have my raincoat on and I am taking Scout and Ranger. He's found something interesting. Ranger for a walk. And today I have been very, very active and I've done a lot of things. I woke up this morning and immediately baked cookies. Then I made a package and sent it off in the mail, and I went and delivered cookies to my neighbors. And I went to where my mom lives in assisted living and sat on the other side of the window and called her on the phone, and we talked through the window. And I picked up lunch at a food place, and then I came home and I started working on making some masks, cutting out the fabric and starting to sew them together for another set. I've already donated a set to some people in the emergency room, and they really appreciated them. And I don't know what's over here, but it is obviously very interesting. What do we got, guys? And now I'm taking a walk. And let me tell you, getting out there and doing things, having a list. Oh, I also wrote a couple letters and mailed those off today. Having a list and checking off things that you're doing really, really helps to keep the depression away. Yesterday, I didn't have a list. Yesterday, I laid on the couch and I watched TV most of the day. Or I sat in front of my computer waiting to see if I would get emails almost all day. And that's not a healthy way to go. And so I want to tell you that if you're feeling depressed, do something. Do something for someone else. Make yourself a list of some things you can do and just decide that you're going to do some things and have some fun and make somebody else kind of happy. There's a car coming. Doing something for someone else, not only will it make them feel better, but it's going to make you feel better too. And so that's my advice for you today during the coronavirus pandemic. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like videos on crafting and stuff, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for some great crafting videos that I'm going to be coming out with pretty soon. And hit that like button and comment and tell me what you're doing to keep yourself from going crazy during the coronavirus epidemic. Hey Ranger, you enjoying your walk? Yeah? How about you, Scout? You enjoy the walk? Yeah? It's nice to get outside, isn't it? Get some exercise, sniff some cool new things. Yeah, everybody should get outside, sniff some things. Oh, and look at all the pretty bluebonnets. I love it when there's bluebonnets and cactus together. I just think that's so pretty.